If you want to bypass forgotten screen lock password on Samsung Galaxy A27, if you forgot the screen lock password and now you cannot unlock your phone, in order to get the access back again, unfortunately, you will have to perform hard reset of the device, which means that we will have to erase all data, everything that we have on our phone. And in addition to that, we have to do this by going to recovery mode. And this is not so easy, or maybe not so simple, because usually in order to go to the recovery mode, we have to turn off the phone or we have to restart it. But if we try to do that on our Galaxy A27, if we open the power menu, and if you try to power off or restart the phone, as you can see, we have to enter the password. So we cannot really do so. So what we can do is we can perform force restart of the phone, and then in the meantime, we can switch the combination of buttons to go to the recovery mode. Also, we need to use a USB cable and we need a computer because we need to connect our phone to a computer. So we're gonna do that straight away. We're gonna connect, there we go. Now, we have to perform not the factory reset. First, we need to perform the soft reset, the force restart of the phone. So to do that, we have to press and hold the power button and volume down button. And you will have to keep holding these two buttons until the screen shuts down. And once it happens, you want to immediately switch to power button and volume up button. And you will have to hold these two buttons until you see the recovery mode. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna press and hold power and volume down. And just keep holding until the screen shuts down. So after a couple of seconds, it should be off. There we go. Now we're gonna switch to power and volume up. And another sad or bad news, I guess, is that the phone takes a little bit of time to actually reboot if you perform force restart. I'm not sure why is that. This is a problem with some Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So I'm not sure what is the issue. At least in my case, this is how it looks like. I just have to patiently keep holding all of these two buttons. So power and volume up all the time. And now we have the Samsung logo finally. And we still have to hold these two buttons. Just keep holding. And there we go, we are finally in the Android recovery mode. And in here, in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. And then you confirm your selected option by pressing the power button. So we want to make sure that wipe data / factory reset is selected, and then you want to confirm by pressing the power button. And then over here, go to factory data reset and confirm once again by pressing the power button. In case you go back to the main menu of Android recovery menu, this mode over here, you want to select reboot system now to restart your phone, and then we can unplug the USB cable. In fact, you can unplug it once you are in the recovery mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.